Good morning students, welcome back to Shiva online class. Up to previous class we have studied adjoint of the matrix and inverse of the matrix. Now let us move on the new heading, solution of a system of equations. In this method is known as matrix inversion method. Okay. Matrix inversion method we have solved up to n equations, but in the higher secondary we will study up to 3 equations. So I am taking only 3 equations with 3 unknowns. This is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 equal to b1. Okay. Similarly a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 equal to b2. And a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 equal to b3. Listen. Now x1, x2, x3, these 3 are the unknowns. These 3 variables are vary in some other cases. Suppose it will become y, x, y, z or a, b, c. அது மாதிரி எதுனா வரலாம். இதுல வந்து the variables terms எல்லாம் left hand side வச்சிருக்கோம். And keep the constant term in the right hand side, b1, b2, b3. If you know how to find adjoint and inverse, this method is basic. So first we have to transform this given equation into matrix form. Matrix form as this. First write the coefficient matrix. Coefficient is coefficient of x1, x2, x3. Like that we have to write. This is our A into variable equal to constant terms. This is written as Ax equal to B. Here this is our A. This is the coefficient matrix and this is our A. And variable denoted by capital S and constant column is denoted by capital B. And which implies X is equal to A inverse B. Okay, A inverse B. For that first find A inverse and then multiply with B. We get X. This is our matrix inversion method. Let us see one example. Exercise 1.3 solved by matrix inversion method. 2 equations are given. Sums are either in 2 equations or 3 equations only. First, we rewrite this equation in the standard form. Standard form means first we keep all the variables in left hand side and constant in the right hand side. Like that, 2x plus 3y equal to minus 5 bring to right hand side, it became plus 5. Similarly, x minus 2y equal to minus 1. This is our equations. Now, we rewrite these 2 equations into matrix form. So, our matrix form is matrix form of equations is first write the coefficient matrix 2 3 1 minus 2 into variables x y equal to constant term. Okay, this is a form A x equal to B. Okay, which implies A x equal to B implies x is equal to A inverse B. And then write what is A, B and X. Here A is 2, 3, 1 minus 2 and X is X, Y and B is 5 minus 1. Okay. Now let us see X is equal to A inverse B we got. First to find A inverse. To find A inverse we need adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? This is our equation number 1. So adjoint of A is adjoint of A. This is 2 by 2 matrix. So for to find the adjoint of A for 2 by 2 matrix, first replace the elements of leading diagonal. Replace from the minus 2. Inge varano 2 inge varano. So minus 2 2. Next, change the sign of the off-diagonal elements. You get minus 3, minus 1. This is our adjoint of A. inverse exists. Therefore, A inverse exists. Next, write the formula for A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. This is equal to 1 by determinant A is minus 7 and adjoint of A is minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2. Okay, next we bring this minus sign only into the matrix gauge. So our A inverse equal to 1 by 7 into, we bring this minus sign into inside of this matrix, plus 2, plus 3, plus 1, minus 2. Sign only change. This is minus will not become plus and plus sign become minus. Okay, this is our A inverse. Next, substituting in this equation, we get x is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse is 1 by 7, 2, 3, 1 minus 2 into B is 5, 1. Sorry, minus 1. Multiplying, take the first row and first column, we get 5 2s are 10, minus 3. Next, take second row with the same column, 5, minus plus 2. So we get 7, 7. So taking this 1 by 7 inside, we get 7 by 7, 7 by 7. So we get 1, 1. And our left hand side is what? X, Y. This x is equal to x, y. So therefore our solution set is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Okay, understood. Let us see second sum. First subdivision, 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 13, 2x plus y minus z equal to 3, x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to minus 8. This is the constant நம்ம எல்லாமே right hand side ல கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So அப்படியே நம்ம எழுதனா போதும். So write the equations as it is first. 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 13, 2x plus y minus z equal to 3, x plus 3y minus 5z equal to minus 8. First rewrite this into matrix form. So matrix form becomes matrix form of the equations is 3 minus 1 2, 2 1 minus 1, 1 3 minus 5 into x, y, z. Here the unknowns are x, y, z. This is equal to b. b is 33 minus 8. Okay, this is of the form Ax equal to b, and which implies x is equal to A inverse b. Okay, first write matrix form and then write this form A is equal to b implies x is equal to A inverse b. Next you have to write what is A, what is x and what is b. But A is the coefficient matrix 1 3 minus 5 and x is the variables, that is unknowns, and b is 13 3 minus 8. Okay, next you have to find determinant A. Okay, A inverse find பண்ணனும்னா determinant A find பண்ண போறோம். So determinant of A equal to determinant 3 minus 1 2, 2 1 minus 1, 1 3 minus 5 equal to 3 into, leaving these two row and column and write the minus. This is our minor of 3. Next this is plus minus plus. Next minus will come, already one minus it is, so it will become plus 1. Okay, into in the one order minor எடுக்க போறோம். So leaving this row and this column you get 1 minus 1, 1 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5 plus 2 into this is 2 is this element. இதனுடைய row column, intersecting row column எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 2 1 1 3. Now get the value 3 into minus 5 minus, here we get also minus 3. So it will become plus 3 plus 1 into 5 to the minus 10 minus, here also we get minus 1. So it will become plus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the 6 minus 1 is 1. 3 into minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2 plus 1 into minus 9 plus 2 into 5. So you get minus 6, here minus 9 plus 10. Okay. So this is minus 15 plus 10 equal to minus 5. So our determinant value is minus 5 and this is not equal to 0. Then only A inverse exists. Okay. Next step, to find A inverse, we want adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is, as I said, first write the A matrix 4 times. Write this matrix 4 times in the square form. 3 minus 1 2 2 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 5. Again here 3 minus 1 2 2 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 5. Similarly here 3 minus 1 2 2 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 5. And fourth time 3 minus 1 2 2 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 5. 4 times in the மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கோங்க. It is easy one. Okay, and its transpose is our adjoint A and leave the corner element. Okay, neglecting the corner element and write. Take the first 2 rows, multiplying these two. Minus 5 minus 3, 1 is minus 3, so become plus 3. Next, minus 1 minus 5 2s are 10, minus 10, so it become plus 10. And 3 2s are 6, minus 1. Okay, next consider second and third rows. 3 2s are 6, minus 5, 1 is 5, plus 1, plus 5. And then 5 3s are minus 15, minus 2, 1 is 2. Okay, next multiplying these two minus 1 and minus 9. Next consider last 2 rows, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. And 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1 is minus 3, so it will become plus 3. And 3 1 is 3 minus 2 1 is minus 2, so we get plus 2. Its transpose is our adjoint of A. So our adjoint of A is, listen, ஒரு நியூ பேஜ்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது you should write left hand side also. அப்படியே ஈக்குவல் போடாதீங்க. Adjoint of A is equal to minus 2 and 10 minus 1 9 5 and 6 minus 5 is 1 minus 17 minus 10. Here minus 1 7 5 minus 1 7 5 transpose. Okay, this is our adjoint of A. Is equal to, transposing this we get minus 2 9 5. Okay, we rewrite this rows into column. Next row into second column and third row into third column. This is our adjoint of A. Okay, minus 2 1 minus 1, 9 minus 17 7, 5 minus 10 5. Okay. Next find A inverse. First write the formula. 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay, 1 by determinant A value is minus 5. 1 by minus 5 into adjoint of A. Minus 7 5 minus 5. Okay, this is our A inverse. Next, multiplying this with B. Okay, multiplying A inverse with B. We get, first write A inverse 1 by minus 5 into minus 2 1 minus 1 9 minus 17 7 5 minus 10 5 into B. Our B value is 13 3 minus 8. Okay, this is our B value. Now multiplying these two, we get 1 by minus 5 keep aside and multiplying this, we get this. 13 to the minus 26 plus 3 plus 8 minus and minus plus 8. Next 9 into 13. 9 into 13. 170 minus 17 into 3 51 and 7 into 8 is 56. Next 65 and 10 into 3 minus 30 8 5 are 40 minus 40. Okay, it's equal to 1 by minus 5 into this is our minus 26 plus 11 and this is 117 51 plus 56 is what? So we get 10. Here 10 and here 65 minus 70. 65 minus 70. Write one time. Then 1 by minus 5 into this is minus 15 and this is 10 and this is minus 5. Okay. Now we bring this 1 by minus 5 into inside. So we get minus 15 divided by minus 5, 10 by minus 5 and minus 5 by minus 5. Okay. So dividing this we get minus minus gets cancelled 3 times and this is minus 2 and this is 1. So the left hand side becomes x, y, z. Okay, our solution is x is equal to y is equal to z. You have to write. Therefore, our solution set is x, y, z is equal to 3 comma minus 2 comma 1. Okay. So by matrix inversion method, first write the matrix form and then find determinant A value. If determinant value not equal to 0 irundha A inverse find out pannaporom. So in number not equal to 0 minus 5 vandhudu. So we find the A inverse. A inverse find out pandradhukku munnadi adjoint A find out pandrom. Adjoint A is this. Adjoint of A na first 4 times edrom. Adha neglecting the corner elements and then do the minor form எப்படி நம்ம find out பண்ணுமோ அதே மாதிரி find out பண்றோம். இதுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் போட்டா தான் நமக்கு adjoint of A. So transpose பண்ணி adjoint of A கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம். Next A inverse equal to write the formula and put the values and then x is equal to A inverse B ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றோம். A inverse க்கு இத யூஸ் பண்றோம். B க்கு விட்டா நம்மளுடைய 13 3 minus 8 constant term பாருங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம். Multiply and we get the values of x, y, z. Okay, in the last step we should write the solution set. அது எழுதி தான் இன்னும் finish பண்ணனும். Okay students, thank you. Do the homework.